Alright, so this is Bob, my boyfriend.
Oh, me switch part this ago, you know. Me soon deal with you. Young man, she not tell us I'm a mad woman.
Lexi, leave it alone. The only thing this I gotta do is stir up things and piss off mommy.
Stand up on the scale properly. Let me see how much. How much are we? See same thing? See there? 2 pounds gone on your body.
Your heart a beat.
Mommy, you know it's alright. It's alright. Me go pop my stuff and me go
My
leave.
blood pressure gone up, my diabetic gone up, everything
It's
gone.
alright, you know, mommy. It's alright.
Oh no, mother is a, I mean, I love her, it's my daughter, it's my only child, I love her dearly, but she just a pain in the backside.
Me curious, me need to find out something. There must be something behind mommy being controlling and
The way my mother used to do me no want, me no, look here, you know my daughter, you know, me know. But if me explain and tell you about that the woman there,
In control everything we do. Put we on scale. Tell we say we him a watch weight. Zay, talk to mommy now.
talk to which mommy? It's in a fair phone too.
Will you put tracking device on my phone
You
for?
know everywhere you go and everything you do.
This office stop. Lexi a big girl. Lexi a big woman. I am an adult. Mommy, you can't try control. We said the whole of our life.
All right, you know, so before you go, you know, so before you
Can't try control. Lexi a big. As far as you know, grandma don't do nothing. You decide to you want to be big woman and leave.
Why, daughter? You said that reason that your mother feel left.
Lord Jesus Christ. Lexi, send up my pressure.